Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to manage your notifications in the Blinkist app so you can focus on reading without constant interruptions. Notifications can be distracting, but with a few simple settings. First, open the Blinkist app on your phone. Next, tap on the settings icon located at the top right. Then, scroll down through the settings menu until you find the push notifications option. Click on it to open the notification settings. Here, you will see different types of notifications that Blinkist can send you. Finally, turn off all types of notifications by toggling the switches to the off position. Once this is done, you will no longer receive push notifications from Blinkist. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on using apps efficiently.